Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we'll be installing the purolator air filter on my 2002 Saturn SL1. It's real simple. And guys, when you're doing your oil change or your tune-up, or your maintenance, be sure to check two things that people often overlook when they do oil changes. I do it too myself. I do it a lot. I forget to change the air filter or the PCV valve. So yeah, when you're doing your maintenance and you're doing your checks, check that air filter and that PCV valve. Make sure everything is good with it, especially when you're doing it on older vehicles, especially a Saturn vehicle that's known for like burning oil and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna get into the video. It's real simple. You got 4 clamps on your air box. Pop them off like that. They pop off real easy. No tools required. You can do it right there in the parking lot of the when you buy it of the parts store. So I noticed when you look at that. See? And I've been changing my oil and stuff frequently, and look at that. Haven't changed the filter, because I forgot and just to be busy, and you just want to keep changing the oil. But that, I'm not gonna say it's a big. You suffer a lot with that, but you probably notice a difference in your gas mileage, which I know I was. So when you drive as much as me, you will know the difference. So you just sit this down in there. Seat that down in there like that. The new one, put that back like that. Put the clamps back on. That's like self-explanatory. That's like one of the easiest vehicles to put an air filter in. So there you have it. Air filter. Anybody need the part number? If you got a Saturn 2002 Saturn SL1 for purolator, there they go right there. I know they filters are pretty good. I use them. They last a long time. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment below, and turn the notification bell on. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.